Hello everyone, this is Igor from Supasaito, and today I want to talk about how you can use no-code tools to build some useful workflows for your company. And today the workflow, the system which we are going to build is a very simple version of HR, human resource application management system. And we're going to build it together with Webflow, Notion, Make, and Loops with these no-code tools. And the steps would be to create a form on your website, send the data to the database, then manage this data, and also send email notification when the data is updated. So all of these steps can be achieved by using no-code tools. And the next step, I want to just go inside each of the tools and see what kind of setup, what kind of things we have inside. So first of all, we have Webflow. So in Webflow, we built this application form, which is very simple, just has name and email, and we can send this data. And after that, this data goes into the Make. So the Make helps us to connect Webflow and Notion, which serves as our database this time, to send the data from the form submission to the database. The database looks like this, also very simple. They select applicants, we have a table here. It also has name, email, and the status, which can be assigned to each application. The data submitted for the form will be displayed here. It will have a particular status, and then we will be changing the status, and it will serve as a trigger, and we will get this data from the Notion, and we will send it to Loops, which helps us to build this kind of email, which will be sent as notification to notify the applicant that his application is being under review right now. So I want to go to jump into how actually it's built and just show you how it actually works. So first of all, we have this application form, and I will fill in my name and email here. Here's my information, and then I'm pressing send. So after I send this data, this scenario would be working, and we get my data inside of the Notion. So I have my name here, I have my email, and I have my status as not started. So imagine yourself as a kind of HR manager, or like somebody who is doing the screening for your applications. You're going to see it right here in Notion in a very accessible way. And then you kind of like you go into reviewing this application, you change the status to in progress. And this scenario is going to run. It will be running like every minute. So it's very soon I will receive this email in my inbox, like for this email, which I actually sent as in my application. So I will just go to my mailing system and see if I got an email. Okay, and here is the email which I received. It has a subject line of your application is being reviewed. I see my name here, which comes like from the database in Notion, and I see the text which I pre-designed in Loops to send this to my users. So this way, it's very simple setup, but we built the small, very simple version of HR application management system, which consists of the form, of the workflow to send this form data to the Notion, and also to manage the data in Notion as a database. And according to these changes, we send specific email notifications to our applicants. This kind of like simple systems can be, of course, built bigger, more complex to serve real needs of real business. You can save a lot of development time on by using Webflow and Notion and Make and Loops, all of these no-code tools, and I definitely encourage you to do that. If you feel this is interesting, please leave the comment and ask any questions about how it actually works or any other thing which you would like to ask. And I will be seeing you in the next videos. Bye.